Yo, what's good? Yo. What's up? What's up? Nothing. I went and had some hot wings and a beer. Now I'm here having more beer with you guys. Yeah, I was having some good burps, so I was like, oh my god, I gotta get on, talk to you guys. I'm gonna slay your eardrums. Welcome. Hot wings and an Angry Orchard. I'm into it. I'm good at it. Am I into it? Like, is it my thing? Like, is it what I flick my bean to? No. I feel one coming. I burp in his face. Welcome to Burp Talk. You've made it to the best side of TikTok. Let's go. It's not as great, but thanks. Hello, welcome. Thank you for the follow. Thanks, welcome. Thank you for the fire. Welcome. 5 loud burps in a row. There you go. Save that for your fucking forum, bitch. I am old enough. How old do you want me to be? Don't answer that. Don't fucking want to know. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to Burp Talk. Keep scrolling. Thank you. I'm the boss, too. I'm the boss bitch of burps. Do I have stomach issues? No. No, I don't. But I'm probably like undiagnosed with GERD or something. I probably have GERD and nobody's diagnosed me yet. Because if I don't do this, what I do, it hurts so bad. It sounds so dumb, but it's 1,000% the truth. So here I am. I'll work on my chugging. I'm not good at it. I'm not even really good at taking a shot. Yeah, no, I get the hiccups. It's the opposite for me. So I thought about this because somebody asked me this question. I burp when I have the hiccups. When I get the hiccups, I always end up burping like in the middle of them. If I can whip my phone out fast enough, I'll do it next time. And I'll show you. Your long hair works volcano in my legs because you see right. I'm gonna screenshot that. I just can't get enough. That is a wild ass comment. I gotta. He was wild for real. Like, what was that? Like, whoo. Like, keep talking, baby. It's like a haiku or something. I don't know. That's haiku bot coming through here. Fuck. Yeah. I couldn't finish it. I was saying fuck you, but I didn't mean it. I really love you. Before I go, hey guys, welcome to Burp Talk, where we burp and we love it. I'm out of here, y'all. Peace and love. Peace and love. Have a good night. Get home safe. Don't drink and drive. Don't do drugs. I don't know. Do it. Yeah, bro. I got all that shit. I'm a fucking badass. Good night.